Hello, this is Joan from Omotesando, and today we're gonna see how to make a garden in a bowl. Now we're going to see what materials we're gonna need to do our garden in a bowl. First of all, we need moss. This kind of moss is different than the one we use in kokedamas. It's called ball moss. Then we need the crystal bowl. Afterwards, we need potting soil. We also need water, active carbon, volcanic stone. We need decorative stone, and finally the plants. We need a Phytonia and a Ficus ginseng mini. First of all, what we're gonna do is obviously uncover the crystal bowl and start working with the base of it. First of all, we're gonna put the volcanic stone. Why we put the volcanic stone? Because it helps to filter the water. Gardens in a bowl are also called terrariums. You only need to water them once a year. So the water evaporates, it condensates in the glass, and then it falls back. So the cycle of the water keeps happening inside the bowl. What will happen if we added directly potting soil inside the bowl? The roots would go down and they would get rot. But when we put volcanic stone, this doesn't happen because the volcanic stone is like a filter. So we have water down, then we have the volcanic stone, and the roots don't go to the water, so they don't rot. Let's go. Approximately, we're gonna add 2 fingers of volcanic stone. Now we're gonna add some decorative stone. Why? Because it looks cooler, but it also helps filter the water. We do it like this because I like that from the side you can see the decorative stone and it looks cooler in my opinion. So what we're gonna do with my finger is keep it at the same level because it looks nicer. Great! What we are gonna do now is add carbon active. It's very good to keep the levels of humidity controlled and also if there's some kind of flake to control it. And we're gonna do it as if it was salt. Like this. Now what we're gonna do is add the potting soil. We're gonna put it almost until the top. Great. Now what we're gonna do is plant the plants as if it was in a regular pot. We take them off its pot, we recycle the pot. Now we're gonna take off all the potting soil that's surrounding the roots. Not everything, but most of it. Now we do a hole and we're gonna plant the plant. We press a bit the sand and we start seeing that it looks pretty cool. We're gonna do the same with the Phytonia. We're gonna use half a Phytonia because every Phytonia has like a lot of branches and I like it when it looks a bit smaller. We do a hole and we're gonna do the same. What we're gonna do now is water our garden in a bowl. And it's the last time for this year. Next time we're gonna water, it's gonna be next year. The quantity we're gonna use to water it, it's approximately half a glass of water. Now there's a very cool part. That's when we put the moss. This is like a very cool moss. So now we take a piece of moss. We can use a brush to clean it a bit, but it's pretty clean already. And next thing, we're gonna cut its roots. Now we're gonna fill all of the spots of our garden in a bowl with moss as if it was like a puzzle. And now we're gonna repeat the same thing over and over until everything is green. We love that it looks very green. So now we're gonna use a spatula like this to press the moss on the sides so it penetrates more and it looks cooler and greener. And now we already have our garden in a bowl. We just need to cover it and water it once a year. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the content, you can follow us at Omotesando Plants. We are in YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, everywhere. And you can find our products in our website, omotesandoplants.com. Thank you very much.